There is trap near.
What will you do now? What will you do
Bro,
now?
where?
What? Hey, Granny! Granny came! Run! Did you find the route for the take?
Run. He came.
I got the safe key. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So चलो करेंगे बकचोदी. Let's go. We are gonna play Granny Escape together with my best friend, my duo Tribs on FPS. Let's go, guys. Play option, multiplayer, create a lobby, start. Hello, my friend Tribzone. I am invited you for the game.
Go, bhai. I'm ready, bro.
Let's go. Day 1. Guys, हम लोग को थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है. तुम्हें डर लग रहा है Tribzone?
Yes, bro. I'm too afraid.
Yeah, bro. Me too, bro.
Let's go, guys. We have to escape the granny.
Bro, you go different. I go different.
Let's
okay?
fucking go.
We will.
Okay, we have to play separately.
No, not separately. Just we will find something. I found a photo of a granny. We can place it in the basement. Where is the granny? I don't know. Because I think I saw her. That's why.
Oh, I got VHS Castle.
What? Hey, granny! Granny came! Run! Fucking run!
Bro, fuck.
What happened?
Where is she, bro? I'm afraid.
I found it the secret route and I got inside it. Oh, I got tire.
Hey, come here.
Wait a minute. Tire.
Come here, fast.
Where?
Put that tire in the garage and come here, where the shotgun is.
Okay, I'm here, bro. Where are you?
Come inside. Yeah, now take the remote. Behind you, bro.
Oh, we got the remote, bro.
Yeah. Arey, I told to store this tire. Hey, granny came, bro. Run, bro, run.
What will you do now?
Bro, where?
माइला तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा.
A few moments later.
Do you went near downstairs?
No. Why? What happened?
There is trap near.
I died, bro.
You died? What?
Yeah, I died. Granny caught me.
Bro. What are you doing, bro?
Arey, Granny came. I was not aware of her. She was camping for me, bro.
Okay.
Bro, I really got scared, bro. I was not expecting her.
The well is over here, right?
Yeah. Where she is due to number.
Bro.
Now go and die. I want to play.
The fuck? But where is she, bro?
I don't know. Really, I don't know, bro.
Okay, what I'll do?
You
I'll
just
go
jump.
upstairs and I'll go
Yeah,
down.
jump. Yeah. Going through.
Day
Now
2,
she
guys.
will
Day
also
2.
spawn. Now she will also spawn. Bro, first
Every first thing we do is we get
Inside the
below
bed.
the bed. Not inside, bro. Below the bed.
below the bed.
Come fast. Let's go. Arre, bro, come. Come here. Let's go, bro. Come here. Come fucking fast. Where are you?
I am upstairs.
Okay.
I got the wrench.
Arre, listen. First, we'll go and watch TV. Okay?
Yeah. Wait, I will
Yeah.
first hide. She's coming. We have to.
Oh, she came.
Bro, what?
Bro, close the fucking door, bro. What are you doing?
Just come here. She can't crouch and come here.
Arre, but still, you should close the door.
Bro, you closed the door for me. I was trapped there. You left me alone.
Run.
Granny came. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. safe.
Where is Granny, bro?
I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe.
But where is Granny?
Outside the outside the house where she poops. Yeah. Car key.
What's
Get
inside
the
that?
car key. Get the car key.
Okay, wait. I'll
Put this
this
stock. No, put
shotgun.
this stock in the upper deck. Don't go. Don't.
Upper deck, upstairs, bro. What are you talking about?
We got the
Wait,
meat
wait.
steak also. Oh, steak will be the dog's food. No.
Okay, let's go fast.
Let's go.
Okay. Come here. Yeah, give the dog food.
Yeah. Just watch behind us, okay? If she comes or not.
Okay, he is locked inside now, I guess. But how will we enter inside the? Oh, wait. We have to cut this that big thing, bro.
No,
Cutter, I guess.
No. Not by that. Come with me.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
we
yeah.
find that
I'm
thing
sure.
inside this well.
I'm sure. Okay. I think so. There is a path. See here. Oh, we need a screwdriver.
I'll open. You go inside. I'll keep the screwdriver.
Yeah. Using screwdriver from underground.
Go.
Yeah, going.
Okay.
I found a watermelon, bro. We should cut it by that chainsaw. I think so. Come
So
here.
we have cutter over here.
No, not by that cutter, bro. See, I got the key. Which key? Master key. Did you saw the granny?
No. Did you went downstairs?
Yeah, in the basement. Master key is not used for the safe. I think so. Something else.
Master key. Wait. Where is the master key we can use?
Here.
Wait, where are you?
I think so here. Oh, special key. I need a special key.
This is special key. Master key. Where is the master key? Hey, come use this safe key.
No, I tried.
Okay, where can we use the master key? Guys, anyone know?
Yes,
Let us know.
yes, right.
Lock,
See,
bro.
see,
Where is
see,
the lock?
See, we got the shotgun parts, bro. You didn't open that shot. Take this special key. We got the special
Special
for
key.
the, down. Bro, come. Granny key.
We have to
Where is
go, bro.
Where is
Why
she?
are
Where
you
is she?
waiting here?
Where
She's
is she?
here only.
Okay, come upstairs.
Okay, we got special key. Let's go.
Barrel and stock. We need one more thing for.
So let's go. We have special key, right? We have to
Yeah.
go in the basement.
Yeah, basement. I'm doubling. Okay. Let's go.
Yes. I'm opening the door. The door is open.
Just shift talk because grandpa will be here.
Wait, I'll go ahead. This place is so shitty, bro.
Shabby.
Okay, come inside here. We'll find something. Okay, I found another route. Come
I
here.
also found another route, bro.
Where are you? Oh fuck! We came.
Come fast. I found the same route, bro. Bro.
Where is he?
Grandpa. Did you find the route for the take?
Run! He came.
Come here.
Bro, we have to find the.
Upstairs route.
He came. Fuck,
He
bro.
is not leaving us, bro.
Let's just escape from here. Hey, he came.
Bro, he is not leaving us, bro.
Bro, we don't know the what
Route.
we don't know the
Route
bro.
for the upstairs.
Just find the route. Don't.
I'm exploring, bro. We can explore, so it will be easy for us also.
Yeah, you can explore. I'll find the route. Okay, Granny's here. Granny's here.
What the hell is this
Granny,
going
bro,
on?
just leave. Granny, just leave us alone, bro. What? Hey, he came, bro. Why is this man not leaving us? Guys, those who are watching, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to me and my Duo's channel as well.
Yes, guys.
This channel is Skullblash X.
And my door channel is
It is fine.
on FPS. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Need a wrench. Need a wrench.
Hey, come here, go. I found something. I found hammer.
Okay, okay, okay. Where are you then? Where are you?
I don't know where I am right now.
So how should I come?
Hey, I found the route. I found the route.
Grandpa,
I'm
give
going
me-
upstairs.
Okay, where is the route? Can you just...
Hey, I found the battery, car battery as well.
Bro, can you just tell me where are you?
Bro, I really don't know where I am. I'm just exploring. Bro, where are you? Shit, bro. We found everything.
I got
in this.
upstairs. I got upstairs. Yeah, I'm there only near the...
Yeah, yeah. Take this key.
I can't take it. Bro, Grandpa came. Just hide.
No, Grandpa won't come here. See, here is the car battery as well.
Okay. You need something to open that thing? Open this thing? I got the safe key.